Welcome to this little mini series on the 10 habits and how you can start implementing and why they are so important. So we're going to get straight to it with the first one, which is often the most difficult, and that is to have an earlier, lighter dinner, or like a lot of my colleagues like to call it, a bigger, better lunch. And this is definitely the biggest challenge for most people, is this idea of having a bigger lunch, a sitting down type of lunch meal, and then having a lighter dinner or an earlier dinner. This was my biggest challenge because growing up, we always had this belief of like dinner time, everyone comes together, we sit down at the dinner table and we discuss things, and that the main meal was always around dinner time. And the problem with that is that that's actually not how we are physiologically wired. We want to have something light to eat before we go to bed so that we can actually fall asleep easily and sleep through the night. We are actually meant to have our biggest meal at lunchtime when the sun is the highest. We've got the most amount of bile in our system. It's able to break things down. So this is the first habit. This is often the biggest challenge. And my tip for you in slowly shifting your meal times and things around is just start with seeing if you can have a bigger, better lunch. A little bit more protein, a little bit more substance. So not just a quick sandwich or a quick snack or yogurt at lunchtime, but actually having a proper meal. See if you're able to do that a handful of times during the week. And then what you can always do is slowly wind down dinner time. So if you find that you're only eating dinner at 8 p.m. or 7 p.m., just slowly start bringing that back about 15 minutes. So either making your dinner time a little bit earlier, or see if you can make, and if you can't shift dinner time, see if you can make dinner a little lighter and lunch a little heavier. So that is the first Ayurvedic habit, an earlier, lighter dinner or a bigger, better lunch. I hope you are able to try and play with that idea a little bit this week, and I will catch you in the next video, which is all about early to bed. See you then.